How can I start my camera? I can't understand exactly. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
yes. Now is it clear?
yeah, yeah, it's clear. Okay, so your name is MJ Khan. So what's your real name?
Actually, my real name is Mujahidul Islam, but
Okay.
you can call me MJ or Islam.
Okay, I will call you MJ. So MJ, tell me about yourself.
This is me, Mr. Mujahidul Islam, and basically I'm from West Bengal, Kolkata, but nowadays I live in Bangalore.
Okay.
So in my family, there are nine member in our family. This is the big family. So I have three sisters and four brothers, as well as my parents.
Three
Actually,
sisters
there is
and four brothers. Three sisters and four brothers. So you can say there are nine people in my family.
nine people in my family. Okay,
What about your educational qualifications?
I could not complete anything. Just I have completed my ninth class. After that, I left my education because at that time COVID-19 has come, as well as my family condition was not that much good. So that's why I left my education. Nowadays I'm doing work.
Okay, you were in class 9 when COVID happened, and after that, you stopped studying. Your family condition was not good. So now,
Yes,
how old are you?
I am 21 years old.
21. So you have started working. What are you doing?
Actually, I'm doing laboring as well as driving.
Okay,
Recently, recently,
you're doing labor work and driving.
yeah, recently I have done my drive license. So yeah, I'm doing both.
What are you liking better? Driving or labor work?
Both months. Driving is my, I can say it's my hobby, driving, and work is work also.
Okay. And what does your father do?
My father, he's a farmer.
Oh, he's a
He grow,
farmer.
yes, he grow crops like jute and corn, paddy.
You can say my father grows crops because it's not grow, it's grows. Your father
Yes,
is singular. So you can say my father grows crops just like paddy, wheat, rice. What does your mother do?
he's a housewife. She
Okay,
takes
so your
care of
mother,
our family.
okay, so your mother is a homemaker.
Yes.
And are you the eldest?
No, no, no. Actually, I am third one.
Okay, you are the third child.
Third child.
Okay.
Actually, the elder one is my sister. She has got married. Even she has three children,
Okay.
two son and one daughter.
Okay.
After that, my
Yes, yes.
my bro, my brother, even he has got marriage, and my elder brother and me, we are living both here.
You are living?
Both. We are live both here in
You and your
Elder.
elder brother are living here, and the rest
Yes,
of the
yes, yes.
family is living in the village.
Yeah, yeah. My family was also there are living village.
Okay. Do you go to village to meet them?
Of course, ma'am. But I, I live in, I have been living here last 3 years, but I didn't visit my village. But
Oh,
yeah,
you have been living here for last 3 years, and you didn't
no,
visit the village. So you
no,
didn't
no.
go to meet them for 3 years. Why?
Nothing special. It's just we are making a house in village, and yeah, Bangalore is a very beautiful city. That's why I don't want to live
In the village.
in the village.
Oh, you don't want to live in the village, but don't you miss your parents and your siblings? Why don't you go to meet them?
Of course, of course, I miss them, but never to do,
Okay, tell me, why do you want to learn English?
because I have many reasons to learn English. One of the main reason I can say that one of my friend he has gone abroad in Saudi Arab,
Okay, Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia. Even she is doing a drive also. So that's why whenever I talk with him, he 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 tells me, please come here and we will work here both as well as enjoy also. So that's why I'm thinking that let me improve my communication skill. So that's way.
You are thinking of going to Saudi Arabia. That is why you want to improve your communication skills.
Yes, ma'am, absolutely right.
And will your parents allow you to go there?
Yeah, why not? Of
Okay.
course.
Do you have friends here?
Of course I have.
Okay. So do you go on outings with them? To do you go out with them to watch movies or to go to the restaurant?
Of course, ma'am.
Okay, you do.
Even today's we thought that actually there are theater. So my friends are also telling me let's go to the movie and after 9 o'clock today night.
Okay,
So
tonight. Right.
tonight, but I didn't say anything. Uh, I will go or not.
Okay. So they are making a plan for tonight and you are not
Yes,
sure, you have
I'm
not
not sure
finalized it. Okay.
because I my work is no timing. Whenever my boss call me, I have to go. So
Okay.
that's where, yeah,
Because of your work, you are not sure of your time. If your boss calls you, then you will have to go.
of course. So
So you
have
get
you
day
eaten
off.
lunch
You get
today?
Saturday, Sunday off.
No, 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 no. I don't have any holidays.
Okay,
Whenever,
just one holiday in a week.
no, no, no. Whenever I don't have work, that is my holiday, I can say. Have you eaten lunch?
Yes, yes, I have. And what about you?
I haven't lunch because I went to masjid. So from there I have come 2 o'clock. So that's why I think after our conversation I will take my lunch because last time I lost my your
Oh,
time. So that's why.
okay. So you haven't had your lunch because you came from masjid and then the conversation started. That
Yes,
is why
yes,
you did
yes.
not have your
Ac-
lunch.
Actually, I had only 15 minutes, so that's why I could not finish my lunch in 15 minutes. After conversation, I will take.
Okay. Do you take rice for lunch?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Actually, we are as a Bengali, we prefer rice every
oh.
time. Even if we get 3 times rice, we never feel boring, right?
So you like rice so much that even if
Yeah.
you get it for all 3 meals, you will still not get bored of it.
No, no, no.
But we have it once or twice a week.
Sorry?
We have rice once or twice a week. That means 1 or 2 times in the entire week.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I cannot do like this.
We have rice once in 3 days. Just once. For lunch.
Oh,
And then for after 3 days again we can have rice. So we don't like
oh,
to have rice every day. We like chapatis better.
chapati. Chapati is better, but I don't like it.
You like rice better.
Yeah. So I think you are from Delhi, right?
Yeah. So North Indians eat chapatis more. They don't eat rice that much.
But we are as a Bengali, we pay for any food to rice exactly.
Anything with rice, right?
Yes.
Okay, and tell me, what do you eat for breakfast?
Today, actually, we are to we are to cook by myself, by ourselves. So
Okay,
that's why today is Friday. We cooked rice and fish fry. Not fry, carrot, fish carrot.
fish curry. Oh, you had fish curry and rice breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast as well as now after I mean at night also. Three times in a week.
Okay. So for all three meals, you will have fish curry and rice.
Yeah, okay.
We never
Yeah.
eat rice for breakfast. We always eat parathas and tea. We eat stuffed parathas and tea for breakfast.
Oh my God.
So you have to make your own breakfast. You have to make breakfast yourself, right?
Yeah, yeah, of course, definitely.
So you know how to cook.
Of course.
And what about your brother?
Yeah, he knows also.
Okay, you never make chapatis?
Sometimes, like twice in a week.
Once in a week.
Yes, twice in a week.
Twice in a week you eat chapatis. Oh my God. And twice a week we eat rice. Completely opposite.
Really kidding.
When you drive, you take the passengers to their destinations.
It's not passenger vehicle exactly.
Okay. Okay.
It's goods vehicle. I
Okay.
think you know. I think you know about the Tata AC Ashok Leyland
Yes,
goods
yes,
vehicle.
yes.
Right?
Okay.
There are some
Okay.
shops here in Bangalore in our area. Whenever the whenever the thing is saving, then shopkeeper called me or called my boss. Then we collect from shop to deliver the customer house, like dining table, sofa, and bed, mattress, etc.
Okay. So you deliver these things to the customer's place.
Yes.
What do you do in your labor work?
Labor work is like that. Vehicle loading, unloading. Whenever we don't have work, I go to another vehicle to labor.
Tell me something interesting.
Today I'm getting a little bit scared.
Oh,
So that's why I thought
don't be
I
scared. I'm just like your friend. Don't be scared. I'm just like your friend. Yeah, tell me about your friends.
actually we have in they are also from Bihar. There are three friends. They are live opposite my building,
Okay, they live opposite to your building.
opposite to my building, and we have a local friend in Bangalore friend. So we are doing work both, and my friend in Bihar friend, they have gone their village nowadays.
Okay, they have gone to their village.
Their village.
Okay, okay. Two of your friends have gone to their village.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Okay, okay. So now just one is left. You are left alone. There are no friends right now.
Yeah, 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 of course, of course.
Do you watch movies with your brother also?
No, I don't like.
Okay. What time do you get free in the evening?
The evening exactly. If we don't have any work, then I am free from since morning to at night.
Okay, from morning to evening you are free, there is no work.
Right.
What do you do when you are free? What do you want like to do in your free time?
Exactly. I thought that I could not more study in my school life. So that's why nowadays I'm thinking I have to do something. I have to achieve something. So that's where whenever I get free time, I try to study
Okay,
in my room. So yeah, whenever I
okay.
feel get whenever I
So
free get
you think that you could not study? You could not study when you were in school. So that is why now you are trying to study so that you can achieve something in life. So whenever you
yes,
get
yes,
free time, you study. You watch comedy videos also.
yeah, of course.
So you like Instagram reels.
Yeah,
What are you doing to improve your English?
I watch some videos on YouTube, such kind of new video, as well as there are so many videos in available on YouTube, as
Yeah.
well as I use on AC Fluency app. They are
Okay.
they are give us only 20 minutes free in a per day. So I used that. I try
Okay.
to use that properly.
Okay. So is Ace Fluency app free?
Of course. I didn't buy any lesson plan. Just I'm using only free because they are give us only 20 minutes free in a per day. So I think
Per day
this
20 minutes free. Per
yeah,
day 20 minutes free. So is that an
20,
audio call or video call?
audio call, not video
Okay.
call.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's why actually that's why I didn't buy any lesson plan because this 20 minutes enough for me
Okay.
whenever I go on my work. So I didn't get any time to use social media or something like that. So that's why I think this 20 minutes is enough for me. That's why I
Okay.
didn't buy any lesson plan.
So you don't get much free time. That is why 20 minutes a day is enough for you. That is why you
Yes,
didn't
yes,
buy their paid plans. So they have
yes, yes.
paid plans also.
Yeah, of course. If I want to buy any lesson plan for 1 month, I have to pay 4.99. I think. Yeah, four
Okay.
ninety nine.
Is the audio call good? Are the teachers good on Ace Fluency?
Actually, there are no teachers. Such kind of
So
co-learners.
these are students only.
Yeah. Co-learners. There maybe someone is from Delhi, someone is from Rajasthan, someone is from MP, UP. That's it.
Okay, okay. So you get to talk to co-learners, not the teachers. So they don't correct you when you speak wrong English.
No. Actually, if we my senior, then he is telling me you mistake here. You should use this one like this.
So just in
Someone
case
told
you
me.
are talking to a senior, he can correct you. Otherwise, you just speak with co-learners and there are no
Yeah.
corrections.
No correction.
Now go and have your lunch. All the best. You will be fluent in English very soon. Keep watching English content and you will be good to go. So all the best.
Okay.
And it was a lovely
I'm
conversation. I enjoyed talking to you.
I'm also like you. And madam, I want to say something. That again, I will get chance to have a conversation with you.
If it is possible, I will definitely connect with you. Okay?
Okay, madam.
Okay, then bye-bye. All the best.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Nice
All
talking
the
with you.
best. Same here.